Marvin lifestyle trendsetter, leather experience next level. Marvin lifestyle trendsetter, leather experience next level.
Adding life to your style, call it lifestyle. The kind of feeling that brings a bright smile. You'd be spoiled for selection. We got tons of collection of leather, soft as a feather. I'm telling you, it can get better. So if you're looking for the latest trends, Marvin Leather is the greatest then.
Ooh,
Now it can get better.
ooh,
They call me the trendsetter.
ooh,
With us it's even better.
ooh.
So when you think of leather,
Marvin lifestyle trendsetter, leather experience next level. Marvin lifestyle trendsetter, leather experience next level.
Marvin lifestyle, oh so fine, marvelous, so divine, luxury redefined. Our leather will blow your mind. Open up your heart and you will see beautiful design and artistry, kind of quality you have to feel. Got the collection you won't believe. Now it can get better.
Ooh,
They call me the trendsetter.
ooh,
With us it's